Hello, welcome back to Channel Masala. I'm your Hiren Sabari. Speaking is blessing, but public speaking is mastery. Today, I'll give some ideas to the kids who are planning public speaking. Now, watch and listen. Importance of kindness. What wisdom can you find that is greater than kindness? Kindness is a boon which is gifted by God equally to all His creatures. Kindness is not merely money or things or else the physical or the mental support. Then what is kindness? Kindness is a feel. Kindness is a passion. Kindness is an emotion. Do you think that the feelings are sufficient to satisfy the needy? One set of people will have the feelings just, but they may be incapable to support by all means. Just this tender heart of people will walk away with burdened heart. At the same time, another set of people are from well-to-do atmosphere with materialistic mind. Though they shell out money for their own sake, still not for charity. One should be kind and helpful based on his blessed capacity. The helping mind in one corner and enormous wealth in other corner will not spread humanity in this human kingdom. Both should sail in the same boat to make this earth the place of God's creatures. Be good always, do good always, and indeed, be kind towards the needy. Thank you.